If your Google search bar is missing in Mozilla Firefox, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bring it back in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy fix, and it can save you time if you prefer searching directly from the toolbar instead of opening a new tab every time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, look for the menu button with the three horizontal lines. Click that menu button to open the main Firefox menu. From the list of options, select More Tools and then click Customize Toolbar. This will open the customization screen where you can change the layout of the toolbar and restore missing buttons and features. Once the customized screen opens, take a moment to look around for the search bar icon or the search box option. This is the item you need to restore the missing Google search bar. When you find it, click and drag the search box into your preferred spot on the top toolbar. For most people, the best place is right next to the address bar because that keeps everything easy to access and looks clean and organized. As you drag it into place, you should see it snap into the toolbar area. Make sure you position it where you want it before finishing. If you change your mind, you can always drag it again and adjust the layout until it feels right. This is one of the best things about Firefox customization because you can arrange the browser in a way that works best for you. After you have placed the search bar where you want it, look to the lower right corner of the customization screen and click the Done button. This saves your changes and returns you to normal browsing mode. Once you exit the customization screen, your Google search bar should now be visible again on the Firefox toolbar. If you still do not see it right away, take another look at the toolbar location you selected and make sure the search box was added correctly. In most cases though, this simple process fixes the missing search bar instantly. Now you can search the web directly from the browser toolbar just like before, and that is how you fix the missing Google search bar in Mozilla Firefox. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and now your browser should be back to the setup you prefer. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.